All right, fifth graders, for this assignment, you are going to make a double bar graph. And I am going to get you started and walk you through your assignment part way. Again, just like the single bar graph, I am grading this. So it's not just practice. I do want to see if you can put it together. So I went ahead and opened it. This one's a little harder because it doesn't give you the numbers and you have to come up with the numbers yourself. So we're looking, okay, how many students got to school in each different way? So how many kids rode the bus, walked, car, and bike? And we're doing the difference between boys and girls. So that will be our two different colors of bar. All right, so notice they said all of the girls have a dot next to their name. So let's go ahead and count up for each category how many it is. I'm actually going to use that drawing. So here we have boys, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry if you can hear my dogs being noisy. One of them is deciding to run around and the other one doesn't like it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 girls. All right, here for walking, we have 2 boys, and girls, we have 1. Car, 1, 2, 3 boys. Girls, we have 1 girl. And then biking, boys, we don't have any boys, and girls, there are 2 of them. Okay, so the highest we need to go to is 5. So that will help us know what to do on our graph. So here is the graph paper you can use. So we always want to put 0 there, almost always. And because I'm only going up to 5, what do you think I should count by? Well, if I count by 2s, 2, 4, 6, all my bars are going to be really short and squished together, and it's going to be harder to read. So let's just count by 1s. So again, notice I'm putting my numbers on the lines. It didn't give me a spot to put a label, but it's always a good idea if we say number of students. Okay, key is important. We're going to have girls and boys. You're going to want to either make them different colors or make them different symbols. Since colors are pretty easy on Kami, let's do that. And I'm going to make shapes for this one. So I'm going to make girls yellow. I'll fill that in. Oh, I don't think it likes it when I fill it in so small. Fill it in, and then I'll make it smaller again. Did that work? Maybe? And then shapes will switch and we'll do, no, we're going to go again, we're going to do purple for boys. Because who says I have to do what's quote unquote normal? I might even just color it in this time. So I'm not sure what's going on with the girls. Ooh, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's all right if it's not. There we go. Okay, we get the ideas that girls are yellow. So I now have to think about my different categories. So I have bus as my first category. So I'm going to put, I'm going to write this in black. So these 2 boxes are going to be bus. So then let's see. Okay, boys was 4, girls was 5. Don't always have to put girls and boys on the same side, but I am going to put girls on the left. So let me remind myself girls was 5. So shapes, go to yellow. I want to go up to 5. Oops, I didn't go far enough down. Easy fix. Takes a little bit of sort of playing around with it to get it to look exactly how I want. But look, girls went up to 5, and now boys only needs to go up to 4 for bus. So I'm going to go back to shapes. Again, you can draw it either way. I think the rectangle is a little bit easier than drawing it, personally. However you want to fill it in works. Okay, so now I have bus, boys, and girls. Girls and boys. The next one's going to be walking. So notice how I put those 2 bars right next to each other, but then I am going to leave a space. So this one's going to be empty, and then I will do walking. Okay, so then I'll have a girls and a boys. I'll leave a space, and then I can do car has 2, and then a space, and then this last one for the bike has 2. And again, I'm going to fill in those bars for the girls and the boys. Let me know if you need sort of more suggestions. Once you're done, try and think of 3 questions you could ask. How many total students are there? How many girls went on the bus? How many girls walked or drove in their car? Well, not obviously the kids didn't drive the car, rode in the car. How many more girls or boys rode in the car than biked? So see if you can write questions as if you were the teacher asking students to think about the graph that you just made. Oh, and don't forget to give it a title as well. You got this.